Middle East is once again at the center of global attentions after the US launched a new round of military strikes on Iran. Look at these articles of Al Jazeera and BBC. Attacks come after a week of rising tensions, failed diplomatic talks, and growing concern over security in the Persian Gulf. But the biggest question is this: is this simply another exchange of military actions, or we are witnessing the beginning of much larger regional conflict? To understand the significance of these latest strikes, we need to look at the broader geopolitical picture. According to reports, the US targeted Iranian military facilities and strategic assets. Washington argued that these operations are necessary to protect American interests, allies, and international shipping routes in the region. The Strait of Hormuz remain one of the most important energy choke point, and any disruption there can be a consequence far beyond the Middle East. Iran, however, views these strikes as a direct violation of its sovereignty. Iranian leaders have responded and have warning continued military pressure could lead to wider instability across the region. This latest escalation is not happening in isolation. For months ago, the relationship between Washington and Iran has been shaped by nuclear disputes, much more conflicts, and competing regional ambitions. Every military confrontations add a new layer of mistrust and increase risk of miscalculation. One of the most important aspects of this crisis is its potential impact on global energy market. A significant portion of the world's oil export passes through the Strait of Hormuz. Whenever tensions rise between US and Iran, investors immediately begin worrying about possible supply disruption. If Iran attack to interfere with shipping traffic or if military activity expand in the Gulf, oil prices could rise sharply. We look at recent time. Crude oil prices higher. Higher oil prices could affect transportation's cost, manufacturing, inflation, and unlimited consumer around the world. Financial markets are also watching development closely. Investors generally dislike uncertainty. Geopolitical conflict often trigger volatility in a stock market, commodity market, and currency market. Safe haven assets such as gold frequently attract attention during the period of heightened international tensions. Another important dimension is the reaction of regional powers. Countries such as Saudi Arabia, UAE, and Qatar and Israel are carefully monitoring the situation. Each of these nations have a strategic interest that could affected by a prolonged conflict. Israel, in a particular view, Iran as one of its primary security challenge. Any major escalation between Washington and Tehran could have implications for Israel's defense posture and regional strategy. At the same time, Gulf countries face a difficult balancing act. While many nations close security ties with the US, they also seek regional stability and economic growth. A prolonged conflict would threaten both objectives. Beyond the Middle East, global powers are paying attention as well. China depends heavily on energy imports from the region and has economic incentives to prevent major disruptions. Russia is also closely observing new developments, especially given in its border strategic competition with the US. The diplomatic dimensions remain crucial. History shows us a new military operations can change the immediate security environment, but long-term stability usually require political negotiation. The challenge is that trust between Washington and Tehran is currently extremely low. Diplomatic challenges may still exist behind the scenes. Mediators from regional and international partners could attempt to reduce tensions and prevent further escalation. However, the success of such efforts depend on both sides believing that negotiations can produce better outcomes than continued confrontations. Looking ahead, there are three possible scenarios. The first scene is limited escalation. In this case, both sides exchange military actions but avoid targeting asset. That would trigger a full-scale war. This is happen often considered as a most likely outcome because neither side may want and uncontrolled regional conflict. Second is prolonged confrontations. Here, tensions remain high for months, with periodic strikes, cyber operations, proxy conflict occurring across the region. This would create ongoing uncertainty for global market and regional security. Third and most dangerous scene is a border regional war. Such a conflict could involve multiple countries, disrupt energy supplies, and create significant economic consequences worldwide. While most governments are trying to avoid this outcome, the risk increases whenever military actions intensify. Ultimately, latest US strike on Iran represent more than just another headline. They highlight the fragile security environment in the Middle East and the complex web of geopolitical interests that connect regional conflict to the global economy. Upcoming days and week will be critical for US and Iran both. Whether these crises move toward diplomacy or further escalate will depend on decisions made in Washington and other regional capitals. For now, world is watching very closely because consequences of these confrontations could extend far beyond the Middle East and affect global energy market and international security and geopolitical stability for months to come. Thank you. If you want another video of this topic, then subscribe closed letter analysis. Thank you.